They sending me to Vietnam. It's this whole other country.
It looks like nobody lives here, but people do. There's a lot of alley life in Vietnam. It's chill, it's tranquil. People are smiling, give the thumb up. Hello.
I don't think you understand. I didn't come here to rescue Rambo from you. I came here to rescue you from him.
When I'm in a place where not too many people smile, I always smile a bit extra. That seems to work. And you might wonder why there's two different kinds of flags. I know why. One of them is the Vietnamese flag and the other one is the flag for the Communist Party. I like to party. Leave a comment if you like to party.
Vietnam. There's not one horse in this whole country. They don't have one horse in Vietnam.
Some beautiful flowers on these buildings.
Life was like a box of chocolates. You never know what you're going to get.
Hello. Many children especially come and say hello because we do look a bit different. Some beautiful roses. There's lychee, very fresh.
I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart.
Hello. Nice smile. Bye bye. Vietnam number one. Yeah. Thank you.